How to fix no sound on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right of your screen and you're going to see your volume slider. If you go ahead and long press on it, it's going to look like this. You just want to make sure that if Dolby Atmos is on, go ahead and try and turn it off and see if that works. But you want to make sure your slider is turned up as much as you can. Now, what you could also go ahead and do is when I'm using the volume button, if I press the three little dots on the volume button, I'm going to see the volume sliders for a bunch of different things. So I want to turn it up for everything, because if there's a certain thing that's not, I don't hear or anything like that, I basically want to go ahead and turn it up. If I don't want AI Assistant, I can go ahead and turn that off. But yeah, once you go ahead and do that, see if that works for you. Now, what you also want to do is you want to go ahead and swipe down on the top right of your screen. And if you have Do Not Disturb enabled, then just go ahead and turn it off, because that could be the thing that's basically interfering. So if you see Do Not Disturb, make sure it's off. And a final thing you want to do is turn off Bluetooth, because you might just be connected to a Bluetooth speaker or headphones, which is why your sounds might not be coming out.